Instead of spending 300,000 yuan on a common luxury new energy car, I went all in and bought a 2014 Mercedes-Benz S-Class with one hand. My friends all thought I was crazy, saying I wasted money on an old worn-out car, and honestly, they're not entirely wrong. The exterior is outdated, the condition is rough, and even the engine has serious oil leaks. But no one really understands what a Mercedes S-Class means to a guy. This might be the closest I'll ever get to owning a true luxury icon. So, despite the doubts and criticism from family and friends, I decided to give it a full transformation. Let's see whether this money goes to waste or is spent the right way as I bring it back to life in just 15 days and make the engine ready to fight for another 10 years. Does Mercedes-Benz original ECU diagnostic tool read fault codes? Oil separator failure leads to oil burning. Carbon buildup can increase fuel consumption by at least 2 to 3 liters per 100 kilometers. Clean carbon deposits and replace with good parts. The oil separator is a common issue on the W222, and the only solution is to replace it. The chassis oil leak problem has been found. Since we're already here, we might as well restore everything together. We addressed the suspension issues in the chassis, and replacing the worn rubber bushings is enough to fix the problem. Replacing the engine mounts brings back the experience of driving a $1 million luxury car. Change all the fluids in the vehicle. All screws need to be replaced. Our paint is all Parrot 335 paint. 2 coats of paint and 1 coat of clear varnish. That's what makes a high-quality specimen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. We use only top-grain calfskin. The interior is styled after the AMG S63. The car originally came with the business version, rear seats without ventilation or heating, so we upgraded to the luxury version rear seats with full features. The upper part of the reinstalled interior is all suede. This car is finally restored, so it's time for a song of unspoken goodbye to bid farewell to the years gone by. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.